half the people in town are under it, the other half. I thought a party would help, but now I'm not so sure.
Kurt, I haven't danced the landau since I was a little girl.
Oh, you remember it? Show me. You said the left hand behind the back.
But first, boy and the girl meet. Then they go for a little stroll.
No, Kurt, that's fine. Let me show you.
Don't remember anymore.
Well, Kurt, that's how it's done.
Your face is all red.
I guess I'm not very used to dancing.
I think it's because Father's in love with you.
Brigida, you mustn't say things you don't know are true.
Remember the other night when we were all singing that Edelweiss song Father taught us? Well, after we finished singing, he laughed at Father for forgetting words. But he didn't forget the words. He just stopped singing to look at you.
No, Brigida.
And the way you looked at him just now when you were dancing. You're in love with him too.
Ah, for all I'm real, you won't be having dinner with the children. You'll be having dinner down here with us.
Oh no.
Oh yes, but you'll have to change first. Maria, wear the dress you wore the other night when we were all singing. It was lovely.
Told you so.
Ladies and gentlemen, your attention please. Before we go into dinner, the Von Trapp children would like to say goodnight as only they can.
There's a sad sort of clanging from the clock in the hall, and the bells in the steeple too. And up in the nursery an absurd little bird is popping out to say cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo. Regretful cuckoos, but firmly they compel to say goodbye to you. So long, farewell, I'll be to say goodnight.
I hate to go and leave this pretty sign.
So long, farewell, I'll be to say adieu.
Adieu, to you and you and you.
So long, farewell, what I need to say.
I'd like to say it tastes like for champagne. Yes.
No.
So long, farewell, I'll be to say goodbye. I'll leave and he inside and say goodbye, goodbye.
know how I feel about my...
But George, they're extraordinary. I've been looking all over Austria for something like this, and I find it right here.
My children do not sing in public.
But this is for Austria, and it wouldn't do me any harm.